Welcome to SODA.Sim. By simulating vehicles at the level of atomic components, such as sensors, vehicle systems, and electronic control units, SODA.Sim is a perfect tool for AD/ADS development and a virtual proving ground for validation and certification of all vehicle functions. In this quick start guide, we'll cover the basics. You'll learn about controls, how to install sensors, and how to set up vehicle physics. Let's get started with the basic controls. Use the WASD keys to move left and right, forward, backward. To look around, hold down the mouse button and move the mouse. Now, let's learn how to drive a vehicle. Toggle the editor mode. Choose one of the available vehicles. Place the vehicle in the desired location. Click the play button to launch the scenario. Press enter to take control of the vehicle. You're now ready to drive. Use WASD keys for basic vehicle control. In SODA.Sim, LiDAR is used to simulate environmental scanning. To add a LiDAR sensor to your vehicle, switch to editor mode. Place your vehicle in the scene. Select your vehicle from the list. Click the Components button. From the component library, add a LiDAR sensor. Position the LiDAR sensor on your vehicle as desired. You can adjust the sensor's parameters to suit your needs. Once set up, the sensor will be active during your simulation, providing valuable data. SODA.Sim offers users the ability to fine-tune individual vehicle components with high precision. You can adjust parameters for engine, transmission, brakes, steering rack, wheels. This level of customization allows you to closely replicate real vehicle behavior, resulting in more accurate and valuable data during your testing processes. We encourage you to experiment and play with different settings and parameters to achieve the most realistic simulations. Enjoy exploring and mastering SODA.Sim. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.